Addition of vectors. Addition. The sum of resultant of two vectors a and b denoted by a plus b is a vector c formed by placing the initial point of vector b on the terminal point of vector a and then joining the initial point of vector a to terminal point of vector b as shown in the figure. This description of vector addition is called the triangle law of addition. It is also called called parallelogram law of addition because vector c is equal to a plus b is given by diagonal of the parallelogram PQRS determined by vector a and b. You can see in this figure. Now we will discuss subtraction. The difference of two vectors, vector a and b, denoted by vector a minus b, is a vector c and is defined as the sum of vector a and vector minus b. So a minus b is a vector which can also be written as vector a plus minus b. So we can say vector a plus vector minus b is a resultant vector of vector a and vector minus b. Now we will discuss polygon law of vector addition. Let a1, a2, a3 and so on vector an be n vectors to find their sum. Put all vector tips to nail, that is to say initial point of vector ai plus 1 on the terminal point of vector ai and completing a polygon of vectors. The sum is then vector from initial point of a1 to the terminal point of an and it is written as a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an. If this polygon is closed, that is to say the terminal point of vector an coincide with the initial point of vector a1, then the sum of the vector is 0.